It's very rare you get to see actually the inside of a Torah or a repair of a Torah scroll. So today, I'm actually working on repairing some ink that's missing in a Torah scroll. So take a look at it. Here is one of the readings you're going to be doing this week. And every letter has to be complete. There can't be any spaces or any ink missing. There is the letter Hey, or Hebrew. You can see a gap there where the ink is missing. This is a quill. I've got to scrape away some of the leftover ink that's dried up. I need to get a little more wet ink. Wet the quill a little bit. There we go. Let's get the ink flowing. It goes nicely. It's a little bit up there. That's a lovely Hey. This is another letter that I repaired today. The bottom of that letter, Tess, was totally missing. This is the ink and the quill. The quill is actually, I carved it from a turkey feather. It's feather. Just pulled the feathery part off of the feather. Load it up with a little ink. Okay. Every single letter in a Torah has really got to be done right and perfect. It can't be missing any parts of it. We'll take this mem, for example, which is okay, but there's some blank spots, some dry, flaky ink. I'm going to slightly scrape it. Get the ink flowing, a nice fresh layer. See on top now, it's a completely new fresh layer over there. Same with the yud right next to it. Now we have to leave the Torah to dry a little bit for the ink. Now, even though this is a how-to video, please don't try this at home. Unless you have training as a sofer, a Torah should not be repaired by anyone who is not trained, who's not a professional, but you get a little bit of a glimpse into the process that goes in to fixing or repairing a crack in any letter.